Right guys, just giving you a quick look at our drawer unit that we offer for the back of the tub. So we've just installed this one into one of our Outback series, just on a PX Ranger. But these model units, or these drawer units, will actually fit into any size tub that is available. So all your mid-size, large units, US models and stuff like that. So they're a good storage unit. Obviously good for storage, dry pantry, clothes, whatever, tools, recovery gear, anything you can think of. The one thing we made them, they're quite a robust unit. Obviously they're a 2.5mm alley shell, 4mm drawer front. They have a pinch weld seal on the front, and these things are fully sealed. So we have them in there in the tubs because we know that obviously a tub can get dust and water ingress on those outback roads. So this is made to prevent that. So any of your stuff you want to keep dry and you want to keep dust free, that's what this unit's for. So obviously able to mount drop down fridge slides or any kitchen stuff on top, whatever your setup may be. But yeah, obviously they're a full length drawer we use, quite deep, obviously to utilise the space in here, and then govern enough room on top to have a fridge slide where you can drop out and utilise it. So that's basically it for those drawers, guys. They have they have an extrusion rail underneath them, so you can actually adjust and mount to sort of suit whatever application you have. So yeah, if you like the look of them, just check it out on our website, campingindustries.com.au, and hit us up.